Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Hassan and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an absolutely free bank account in Germany. But before I continue, do you know what else is free? Hitting the like button. It only takes just a second and lets me know that you are appreciating my hard work. In this video, I'll be talking about two different bank accounts. But before that, I want to discuss something that these banks usually don't change their rules about maintaining a free bank account. However, I wanted to talk about Commerzbank, which have recently changed their policy. Previously, they had a free bank account with absolutely no prior requirements. You just had to open an account with them and use it regularly. But now, in order for you to maintain a free bank account, you have to do 700 euros worth of transactions, which is very bad for the people who just wanted to have a free bank account and didn't want to pay anything. My main bank account is with Deutsche Bank, where I pay approximately 5 euros per quarter. This means that I am paying around about 20 euros per year. But many people want to have a free bank account and they don't like paying these monthly or quarterly payments. So if you want to have a free bank account, please continue watching this video. So the first bank which is providing an absolutely free bank account is DKB Bank. I'll be providing all of the links in the description below. With the DKB Cash account, let's have a look at what they are offering and what are the advantages and how you can open an account with the DKB Bank for their DKB Cash account. Alright, so at a glance, there is no account management fees. There is a free Giro card or EC card and DKB Visa card with contactless payment. In Germany and Europe-wide, as a new customer and an active customer, there is a worldwide free withdrawal from ATMs. With the DKB Cash account, there are two options. One is for the active customers and one is for the non-active customers. Between these two, active customers are those who are having a minimum transaction of 700 euros per month, and the people who are non-active users are having less than 700 euros transaction per month. With being an active user, there are certain advantages. However, you do not have to be an active member to have a free DKB Cash account. If you are an active customer, you'll have some additional benefits which we will discuss. There's no need for being an active customer. The overdraft rate is 7.25% per year as a new customer, and active customers will only pay 6.65% per year. Advantages include Apple Pay and Google Pay. There's a free Giro card and DKB Visa card, and you can have up to 100,000 euros in your account without any custody fees. As written here, the DKB Cash package is consisting of a Giro card and the DKB Visa card are free of charge. All of the customers will have this for free. And as an added bonus, as a new customer, you will receive a 6-month status of being an active user or an active customer. So you will also get the benefits of an active customer for the first 6 months. And if after the 6 months you're not an active customer, you will simply go to a non-active customer and some of those additional benefits will go away. So creating an account with DKB Cash is very simple. It's simply 3 steps. Number 1 is filling the online form. Number 2 is activating your account by verifying your identity, and number 3 is receiving your account details and your cards and your pins, etc. So to open an account with DKB Cash, we simply click Open DKB Cash Now. Here you can use translating software. However, it's not recommended because most of the translating softwares conflict with the submitting of the web forms. So you can have a look at what are the fields and what they mean. Look at it or make a screenshot or take a photo, but recommended don't use this translate software while filling it. The first thing is the salutations, Mr. or Mrs. If you have a title, you provide it here. Your first name, then your last name, date of birth, birth name if you have a different birth name, place of birth, your marital status, then your nationality, email address and your phone number. After that is your house number, your postal code, country of residence, which is obviously Germany, and residence since year. So if you have been living in your current address for less than 3 years, then you'll have to provide a permanent address or your previous address where you had been living before. So if you were living in another country, just provide that address in the new field provided here. So please add a preliminary address in the last 3 years. So you provide the street name and the postal code, town, and the country. If it's a different country other than Germany, you can provide your home country's address there as well. Then comes the tax residency. Here it is important that you select the correct option. So most of the people will generally select no because they are not a resident of Germany for tax purposes, but again depends on your condition. So if you click no, then you have to provide your tax identification number. It's the 11-digit tax identification number which everyone receives within a couple of days of coming into Germany. So you provide that. And if you have another tax residency, click yes, but in many conditions it's no. So click no and then continue. After that, you'll have to provide your employment status, if you're employed, non-employed, retiree, pensionee, stuff like that, and your net income. So if you have any income, provide that here. If you don't have any, just provide 0 and then continue. After that is the option of creating a second holder. So it's a joint account option. You can select another person to be a joint account holder with you. But here we're going to select no. Before clicking further, make sure that you are not using a translating software, because if you're using a translating software, it will create errors and you cannot properly continue. So once you make sure it's not using a translating software, click weiter. Once you click further, you'll come to the next page where you'll be given an option to read the documents, the policy for DKB Cash. After that, you can click continue and open your bank account. Once you go through this sign up process, you'll have to verify your identity. You'll get an email from DKB that your account has been created, and you can verify your identity by simply clicking that link in a mobile phone or a laptop where you have a camera. I would recommend using a mobile phone because it's easier for you to use the verification process. During the verification process, you'll have to talk to someone on using the camera, and you'll have to show your documents. The important documents that you need are the identity card within Germany, your passport, and a document that is showing your current address. Once you verify your identity, and if your application is accepted, you will get your card within a few weeks, and then your PIN will follow afterwards. If you're liking the content so far, a like would be really appreciated. The second option is Comdirect. Now actually Comdirect is a daughter company of Commerzbank, and Comdirect provides multiple products. I have already made a video on how you can open a depot account or a securities account with them. I'll put that in the description below, but in this video I'll show you how you can open a current account with them. So if you click the link in the description, you'll come to this page. So here is the cookies. We'll accept all of the cookies. Now, again, for the sake of simplicity, let's use the translating software. The free current account is without any management fees if you are an active member or under the age of 28 years. I'll provide some more details about the active customer. Then you'll get 2 free cards. One is the Visa debit card and the other is a Giro card. Visa debit card looks something like this. It's a great looking debit card. I actually like the colors. And then the Giro card is looking something like this. It's also a very good looking card. Then you can withdraw cash for free on almost all ATMs worldwide. You can add on additional features, for example, Visa credit card, Cash Plus, Carefree travel package. But in this video, we're saying we want a free bank account, so we will not be selecting any of these additional options. For everyone who wants all services, 2 free cards, the Visa debit card and the free Giro card, cash withdrawal free of charge. So you can use the Deutsche Bank network, for example, Postbank, Deutsche Bank, Commerzbank. All of these ATMs will be free of cost. You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, contactless payment. Comdirect has a really great online app. I really like it. It's really easy to use, really intuitive. Then you can obviously contact the customer services. Now let's have a look at the free checking account and the current account plus. So there's no management fees with active customers. Let's have a look at what the active customers means. So for the first 6 months, your account will be absolutely free. But after that, you have multiple options to keep your bank account free. So with a monthly minimum payment of 700 euros, your account can be kept for free. 3 payments via the Apple Pay or Google Pay or with your bank account. So if you just make 3 payments with your bank account card, you can go to Aldi, Lidl, do anything, just 3 transactions per month and your card will remain free. So there's no minimum limit that they've written here. So if you go to Aldi and buy something for €1 3 times, so your account will remain free. Additionally, if you create a free savings plan or if you buy a stock or an ETF with the Comdirect securities account, your account will also remain for free. But I think using the debit card or the Giro card for 3 times in a month is not a very big deal, and people can easily do that without having any issues. So you have to be careful and remember that at least use your card for more than 3 times within a month and you can keep it for free. And then you can have a look at the other details here as well. And here is a list of services and prices within the PDF. You can have a look if you want to look at it in detail. So what we want to do is, without checking any options, we'll click open a checking account. Here we want to open a current account now because we are a new customer. Then you can create a single account or joint account. Here we'll click single account, click further. Again, Mr. or Mrs., your title, first name, last name, and if applicable, your maiden name, date of birth, place of birth, and your nationality. After clicking further, you'll have to provide your address, street name, and your house number, and your postal code, and your city. And if you've been living within this address for more than 2 years. So if yes, then there's no issues. If no, then here you'll also have to provide your previous address as you have to do in the DKB Cash account as well. Get all of these details and click further. Then you provide your email address and your mobile phone number. Click further, and then you can click your profession, whatever profession you have. Click that. Click your branch and the date since you've been within that profession. So click further, and then here you'll have to provide your tax ID, and if you are registered in another country for tax purposes. So if you are registered for tax purposes in another country, you provide your tax details here again. Then click further. Here you can select if you want to receive the Giro card in addition to the Visa debit card. In most conditions you want to receive it, so click yes and click further. If you want the option of having an overdraft, you can select here, but for most people it's not important, so we click further. If you also want to create a securities account in addition with your current account, you can click yes, I would like to open a Comdirect securities account. It depends on you, but what I did was I also created a Comdirect securities account. So if I wanted to, I could buy ETFs and stocks directly with the Comdirect application. So if you want, you can click yes. If you have appropriate knowledge for securities, yes and no. So it depends on you. In this case, I will be selecting yes, I want to open an account, and no, I don't have enough knowledge about securities. So I'll click further. Here it will provide me a summary for all of my details. I can check if the details are correct. I can modify them by simply clicking the edit option. So here everything is correct. I can click further. Here I can have a look at all the terms and conditions, the contracts. I can simply view and download. Here I'll have to select if I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click submit application. After clicking the submit application, you'll receive an email from Comdirect. This email will have your contract. In addition to that, you'll get a coupon for your identity verification. The identity verification process for Comdirect is done for post-ident. For many citizenships, it's not possible for the post-ident to be done using the video identification on your mobile phone or your laptop. So you'll have to go to the post office with the coupon, your passport and your German identity card to verify your identity. Once you have verified your identity, it will take 2 to 3 weeks for your application to be processed. If you are accepted, you'll receive your first debit card or your Giro card within 3 weeks, and the next card will follow within a few days, and then you'll receive your PIN code afterwards. I've provided the affiliate links to DKB Cash and Comdirect in the description below. You can use my affiliate links without any additional cost to you, and you will also be supporting my channel. So hope you liked this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.